Now very important question. The question is, if P and Q are the lengths of the perpendiculars from the origin to the lines, x cos theta minus y sin theta is equal to k cos twice of theta, and second line is x secant theta plus y cosecant theta is equal to k respectively, then we have to prove that p square plus 4q square is equal to k square. Now given lines are x cos theta minus y sin theta is equal to k cos 2 theta, equation 1, and x secant theta plus y cosecant theta is equal to k, equation 2. Now we are knowing perpendicular distance d is equal to ax plus by plus c upon square root of a square plus b square. Now this is perpendicular distance of a line in the general form, okay, of a line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 from a point x1 comma y1, okay. So we have already done it, that is why I have just given this in the as a reason for this problem. Now one thing, comparing equation 1 with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, we get, means we are comparing the given equation in the general form, okay. So we are getting a is equal to, now what is a in our first equation, cos theta, b is equal to negative of sin theta, and c is equal to negative of k cos twice of theta. We are taking this towards left hand side, okay. Now d is equal to, first of all let me write a statement. Now for p, given that p, okay, given that p from the origin, the distance from length of the perpendiculars from the origin, so given that p is the length, from equation 1 to the origin, that is 0 comma 0. Therefore p is equal to a with 0 plus b with 0 plus c. Now in place of c we are having negative of k cos 2 theta upon square root of cos square theta plus sin square theta. Now this becomes negative of k cos 2 theta upon 1. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, okay. So let this be equation number 3. Now comparing equation, sorry, here I have written comparing equation 1, so let me write like this. Now comparing equation 2 with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, that is in the general form, We get here now A is equal to what? In the second equation, A is secant theta, B is equal to cosecant theta, and C is equal to negative of K. Okay. Now again, given that Q is the length from equation 2 to origin, we get now Q is equal to A with 0, B with 0 plus negative of K upon under the root secant square theta plus cosecant square theta. Okay. Now to this, what we can write it? We can write it negative of K upon square root of 1 upon cos square theta plus 1 upon sin square theta. Further, this will be negative of K upon sin square theta plus cos square theta upon cos square theta sin square theta. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, so we are having negative of K upon square root of 1 upon cos square theta sin square theta. Okay. Now further, this becomes negative of K with cos square theta sin square theta. Let this be equation number 4. So we are having third equation here and fourth equation there. Now we are using these two, equation third and equation fourth. Now we have to prove P square plus 4Q square is equal to K square. Now left hand side, substituting values of P and Q. Okay. So what we will be getting? We will be getting left hand side, P is what? Negative of K cos 2 theta, negative of K cos 2 theta whole square plus 4 times negative of K cos square theta sin square theta. Whole square. Is it clear? So now this further becomes, sorry, this is not, okay, don't be confused with this as a 1, this is absolute value. Okay. Now this becomes K square cos square twice of theta plus 4, again this is modulus, okay, plus 4K square cos square theta sin square theta. Just remove this bracket. Is it clear? Now we can take K square common, and inside what we are left with, cos square twice of theta plus, so to this part what we can write it? We can write it 2 cos theta sin theta whole square. Okay, we are left with 4 cos square theta sin square theta. So 4 cos theta sin theta whole square is what? 4, that is cos square theta sin square theta. Now this becomes k square cos square twice of theta plus sin square twice of theta. Now here we are just substituting the formulas. Number 1, what we have taken? 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta. And number 2, now for this part, again the identity, sin square 2 theta plus cos square twice of 2 theta is 1. Is it clear? So we are using these two identities, and finally what is left, that is k square is equal to right hand side. Now left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence p square plus 4q square is equal to k square. Proved.